Now, a lot of people are on YouTube, okay, re-uploading other people's content, and they're making a killing out of it, and they're making a ton of money on YouTube, basically. All right. Now, this is not something that you know, or something that you always like, just like the regular thing that everybody likes to talk about, which is Creative Commons and all of that. No, this has nothing to do with Creative Commons. Okay, this is completely different. All right, and it is very, very easy to do, and it's an easy step-by-step method which we're going to be looking at right here today. All right, I have them listed out, which I'll be going over one by one. Now, here are some of the things you need to expect from this particular video. First, we're going to be looking at an untapped niche. Okay, they are actually listed right here, all right, which I'll be going over step by step for you. Okay, we're actually going to be looking at an untapped niche and what other people, okay, are currently doing on YouTube to make money with this particular method. Okay, that's going to be the first thing we're going to be looking at. Secondly, we're going to be looking at the tools, okay, and some websites, okay, that will help you to make this work for you very, very well. That's the second thing. Third, okay, we're going to be looking at additional ways, okay, to help you monetize with this particular method. All right, additional ways to monetize, because when you're running a YouTube channel, okay, you can actually make money on YouTube with different ways. All right, which some of them is what we're going to be sharing on this particular video today. And a bonus tip, if you watch to the end, okay, I'm going to be sharing an amazing method. Okay, actually put that down right here because I don't want you to miss out on it. So if you watch this video to the end, I'll be sharing an amazing method with you, okay, on how you can even make more money with combining with this particular method. Okay, that method is going to show you on how you can even make more money, basically. All right, so if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. This channel is all about making money online. Okay, and if you like content like this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon, that way you get notified whenever I upload videos like this one, so that I can help you build your own online business, make money on the side, get new ideas in terms of making money, and all those cool stuff, basically. All right, so if you don't want to miss out on content like that, make sure you're subscribed, and also let me know what you think about this in the comment, and go ahead and show your support by smashing on the thumbs up button. Just hit it right now, it's free, basically. All right, you can check the description box of some of the resources right there. And with that being said, let's dive right into the computer, and I'll be sharing with you how to basically make money on YouTube, okay, just re-uploading other people's content. All right, and this is going to be like a step-by-step training video. All right, so let's do this, guys. Let's dive right in. So this is a simple and amazing method I'm going to be walking you through today on this particular video. All right, so if this is your first time here, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on my next upload, basically. So I'll be walking you step by step on how to get this method set up, okay, because a lot of people don't like creating content. All right, and this method is just revolved around making money on YouTube, off of YouTube, basically. That's what this method is revolving around. And a lot of people don't want to go through the stress of creating content and going through the hassle of doing research and all of that stuff. But other people are currently using this amazing method, okay, to make money online, especially on YouTube, all right, which is not so difficult to do, and they're providing value to other people as well. Now, YouTube actually offers audio library, okay, and where you can upload, where you can go and get sounds from for your YouTube videos, or you can just go and download instrumentals or music that you can basically listen to if you want, okay, copyright free. You can use that content, you can use those copyright sounds, okay, for your YouTube videos and all of that without getting any copyright strike. And there are other YouTube channels online also who also offers music, okay, music sound, basically. Okay, some of these channels on YouTube, just like this one right here, you can see no copyright strike. Okay, they have 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, basically, and they are just getting their content, okay, which are royalty free. Especially, I think this one is from YouTube, and they're using this audio spectrum. Okay, let me just unmute this right here before I play this. All right, you can see this visualization sign right here. Okay, there's an image, there's a logo, and there's a background music on this. All right, and you can see this is getting a ton of views right here, and there's so many other channels also doing this, okay, using this, just this visualization, and they're not making any video, basically, which I'll be sharing with you on how to make this visualization, okay, which goes which dance according to the tune of the music, okay, this audio spectrum, basically. That's what this is, and so many other channels are doing it also. If you come over to this one right here, let me mute this. Okay, you can see how this is popping out. All right, it is moving according to the sound, and you, somebody can actually use this sound right here for their content and all of that, because people come online to look for sound that they can use for their video and all of that. Because if you scroll down to the bottom of this section right here, you can see the details of the sound, okay, where you can download it right here. All right, music license, okay, you are free to use this song. So a lot of people, no copyright, basically. A lot of people are looking for video audios that they can use for their videos, basically. So they come right here and look for this kind of sounds and use them for their videos. All right, So why this channel is also getting attention, and they can monetize this channel also with ads. And you can see right here also, they are also doing the same thing. They're just using the music is on the background, and you can see this basic visualization, all right, just popping up according to how this music hits. Basically, that's what it is. And when you come to the description of this particular one also, you can see they're putting the download link right here, all right, support the YouTube channel, all of that stuff right here. Okay, they just have that listed here also. Okay, so this is the niche, all right, that you can jump onto, okay, to get started with this particular method, just by promoting sound, okay, putting up sound online, so you don't get to create content over and over again. And I'm going to share with you where you can get sound, okay, sound that people will like, or music that people will basically like, especially music tend to do very, very well, all right, and I'll be sharing with you how to get the music. So if you come over to YouTube also and just type audio library, okay, you'll see a bunch of YouTube channels doing similar things, so you can come and get an idea of how to go about yours also, all right. So you can just have like this visualization, this visualize sound on top of it, all right. Years ago, like let me say like 2014, okay, I was learning how to do this particular thing, but I was doing it with After Effects. Okay, to get this up, you need to be good at After Effects. Okay, like if you come over to YouTube and just type in audio spectrum of visualization, basically you will see After Effects tutorials that will show you how to do things like this. Okay, you can see this one right here is not too far from what they have right here also. Okay, it's not too far from what they have right here also. So this is the After Effects tutorial. So you need to be good with Adobe After Effects to enable you do this, all right. But today I'm going to be sharing with you a platform that you can enable you do this very, very easy, and this will take you like 10 minutes or 5 minutes to basically complete all of this. Let me say 10 minutes max, okay, because of the image you're going to be getting and all of that, okay, which is very, very easy. You just go over there, you see some template, and you're good to go, okay. But back in the day, you have to use After Effects to create something like this, basically, all right. So now let's look at other ways. Okay, so before we jump onto that, the next step, all right, what we're going to be looking at right here is what is the potential, okay, what other people are currently doing, like all of these people right here. Okay, you can also see this YouTube channel right here, audio library. You can see audio library, music for content creators, basically, all right. So people can download all of these songs and all. And let's see what these channels are currently making once we go over to Social Blade, okay, just to have an idea of how much they're making. Okay, you can see this particular one. Let's start from this. You can see this channel is making over $100 to $1,000 plus every month, okay, which might be higher than these numbers right here, but this is an estimated earnings, basically. So you can see this other channel also doing the same thing right here. This one is also called Audio Library Plus. Basically, they're making upwards of $400 to $7,000, which is an estimated earnings. I know this will be higher and all of that. Also, this channel right here is also making $3,000 to $56,000 monthly, okay, which is also an estimated earnings, which these numbers right here can also be higher than the figures Social Blade currently have right here. Okay, so this is the potential you can basically get, okay, once you're doing this particular method. Now, for the step-by-step on how you can get started with this, or how you can do this, is just basically to create a YouTube channel around audio library, or just to create around music, okay, vibes or good sounds that people can basically use for their content, okay, and it's free for them to use, basically. And you have to use a stealth way, or an amazing way to do this particular method, which I'm going to share with you right now. So where we're going to be getting the content, okay, the music, okay, we're going to be uploading on YouTube and having that our audio visualizer, just like we have right here on this particular video right here. You see the way this audio spectrum is currently moving according to the sound, all right. I don't want to play this music right now. So as this is moving to the sound, the way you can see this popping around and all of that, I'm going to share with you how to do this particular one. But one major thing you need to people worry about is how do they get the audio. Okay, so how you get the sound is basically coming over to SoundCloud. Okay, SoundCloud is an amazing place. You don't just come here and get any sound and go, all right. You will want to connect with someone right here. Okay, there are a bunch of upcoming artists on SoundCloud, all right. There are a bunch of upcoming artists who wants to get their song out there. They need promotion and all of that, so you can reach out to them, okay, telling them that you can help them promote their songs, okay, and they should give you the right to do so, basically, all right. So you can allow other people to download those sounds and use them for their own content basically. Okay, so you can just have that on, you can just come to SoundCloud, contact some music artists, especially upcoming artists. Okay, just come over to this search, search for any genre you're looking for, all right, and contact some of these artists. You can contact them in different ways, all right. I'm not going to go in depth on how you can contact these artists because I don't want to make this video too long basically. So once you contact this artist, okay, you they give you rights, okay, to promote their song. They can either send the songs to you, or you can just basically lift it up from SoundCloud basically. All right, let me pause this. Or you can just lift it up from SoundCloud basically, and let me show you how you can basically just do that. Okay, let's say you want to pick a sound from here. Let's go into this playlist. Let's say you want to pick one of this sound. All right, you can just right click, copy this link address. Okay, then go over to Google. Let me just search that right now. Okay, I already opened that up. All right, you just go over to YouTube and just type SoundCloud downloader basically, and you can find this particular website called sclouddownloader.net. all right, and you can use this particular platform to download a SoundCloud link, audio link. So you just come over here, paste your link right here, and you can just click download. Okay, and the audio is going to download to your computer. Okay, basically that's how you can download from SoundCloud. All right, so this is how you're going to be getting the audio. So once you click on that, you can just see download track, download manually, and all of that. So this is the way you can basically download the sound. All right, so now let's look at how you can basically create the visual, which is the next step right now. So to create the visual, you can see from the examples we're looking at right here. Let's go back. You can see from the examples, you can see there's an image underneath here. There's a logo right here. Okay, you might not use logo. This one, you can see there's an image underneath here, and this one also, you can see there's an image underneath here. All right, so you can also, this one also, you can see an image listed right here also. So what you can just basically do in terms of getting an image, all right, is to come over to websites like Unsplash or Pexels. Okay, websites like Unsplash or Pexels basically, and you can come over here because all the pictures they have right here, they are royalty free. They're royalty free images that you can basically use for your content basically. So once you come over to Pexels or Unsplash, all right, you have access to a bunch of images that you can just download and use them. Okay, this is very, very simple, and I've talked about this on this channel a lot. All right, so once you get your pictures right here, now you already have the sound which you've gotten from SoundCloud. Okay, by contacting some of the artists, reaching out to them, they give you permission to promote them. Okay, because they are definitely going to give you permission to promote their song. They're definitely going to give you access because they are up and coming artists. They need exposure. All right, a lot of them need that brand awareness or to get their name out there. Okay, and the simple thing you can just do for them is show them maybe something you've done before, or show them something similar to what these other people are doing on YouTube. Okay, you can see once you scroll down, okay, on the description of this particular video right here, you can see this section where they say contact the artist. All right, contact the artist right here. You can put the artist's email contact information, like their email address or their social media handles and all of that. You can put links to their other music platforms, okay, or their social media accounts where they can basically find them and all of those cool stuff right in the description of this video. Okay, which artists won't want this? Because this is actually exposure. All right, you're giving the artist exposure, and you're putting links. You're putting a free download section where somebody can basically just download. So you can come and repurpose what they're doing right here. Okay, what this channel is doing. You can see music for content creators. So you can create a channel around this, okay, and get your content from SoundCloud. All right, taking permission from the content, the artists. Okay, you can reach out to like 10, 15, 20 artists per day, and you can do like multiple videos in a single day. Now let me show you how you can basically put these videos together, the platform that's going to help you do this. All right, now this is a cool platform, and I was actually very happy when I found this. All right, because to create this, okay, before you want to use After Effects, but look at this website called musicvid.org. all right, so visualize your sound. Basically, this is what it is. Okay, and it is very, very easy to do. They have a bunch of templates right here that you can use. So you can pick one of these templates right here. Okay, put your text on it. Okay, that's if you have a logo like this one, you can just put on your logo. If you don't have a logo, you can use any of the free logo maker to just put your own logo on it. All right, get sound from SoundCloud, like I showed you on how to basically just download sound from SoundCloud after you've actually spoken to the owner of the song. then you can come over to this platform and just paste the SoundCloud link right here, okay, on this sclouddownloader.net, or just go over to Google and just type SoundCloud downloader basically, okay. Then you have access to download tracks, okay, on SoundCloud. That's easy, okay. Then you come over to this platform right here, pick a template. It's free to sign up, okay. You're not spending any money at all. Pick a template right here, put the song under it or the sound under it, and you get all this visualization effect and all of that. For the image right here, you can use any of the free stock websites to get the image and put it underneath here. Then you're golden. All right, so you have content will now be very easy for you to create. All right, this platform is very, very free, and I know people who are doing After Effects, who took them a long while to do After Effects or to learn it, might be like, oh wow, this is very, very cool. This is easy. This is easier than what the hours I spent, okay, creating this kind of content in After Effects basically. And you can continue to upload content like this on YouTube, okay, and again, and start getting revenues like this, okay, if you stay consistent with it basically, okay, because people are always listening to music online, and you can see how much other people are currently making just doing this on YouTube. All right, just uploading simple content like this, and the content is easy because you're not creating it yourself. It is being created by upcoming artists, all right, people who want to get their voice heard, people who want to gain exposure and all of that, all right, and they'll be willing to give you their song. They're willing to work with you, so you can just upload it on your YouTube channel and give them credit in the description of the videos. All right, that is how you can basically just get this up and running. So this is something very, very simple to do, and I encourage you to get started with it. All right, it has nothing to do with Creative Commons and all of that stuff, okay. This is just you creating content on YouTube without stressing yourself that much. All right, and you can do this like 2 to 3 videos or 2 to 3 content every day, okay, depending on how consistent you stay by contacting some of these artists, okay, and getting permission from them to promote them on YouTube, okay. Everybody wants promotion, so they're going to agree depending on the way you approach them basically, okay. Now other people might tell you different ways to contact them and all of that, but the simple thing is just make it natural. All right, that is how to contact anybody basically. Make it personal and natural. All right, just go natural. Tell them what you want to do and how it's going to benefit you also, and how it's going to benefit them also, okay, because it's going to be a win-win situation for everybody, and basically that's it. All right, and you'll be making money, and once your channel grows as big as it's supposed to and meet all the YouTube requirements, okay, you can monetize it and start getting ad revenue like this and all of that. Another strategy I talked about that I'm going to show you, okay, to help you make money with this is you can use merchandise, okay, and have a store, okay, for your YouTube channel, and basically have the link in the description of your video, okay, where people can buy cool t-shirts or face caps and all of that from you, because the music world is a cool world. All right, people love swag and all of that, so you can do merch and make money from that also. All right, maybe in my next video or some of my other videos, I will actually create content regarding to making money off selling t-shirt or creating merchandise basically online. All right, so if you find this video valuable, share with your friends, give the video a like, I appreciate it, okay, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so you don't miss out on any of the make money online videos I'm going to be putting out on this channel. There's a recommended video on screen right now, and I encourage you to click on it. All right, so until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Stay strong. Bye bye.